Meaning of genus.
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 Genus. Genus is a taxonomic rank used in the classification of living organisms. It is positioned between family and species and refers to a group of closely related species that share a common ancestor. Members of a genus share important characteristics such as their morphology, genetics, and ecology. The name of a genus is always capitalized and written in italics, while the name of a species is written in lowercase, also in italics. The systematic naming of organisms using this hierarchical system is known as binomial nomenclature and was developed by Carl Linnaeus in the 18th century.